Hello everybody. Another pack opening here, featuring a cup of tea that the partner has lovingly made me. I say that in quotation marks. Another pack opening here, Italian Series 3, get all this. It's the only problem when you're buying like bundles of figures from where the dust. Right, Italy Series 3, pack opening number 3. We've already pulled Samuel Eto'o and Diego Milito. I would love a gold-based Crespo, gold-based Baresi. Now, Ronaldinho, I'd love that gold. I've only ever had in blue base. Recently sold. Hamzik's a good figure. Diego isn't bad. The others I've had, really, what I've got. Chiellini, I think that's probably the most sought after one from the series, if I'm totally honest with you. He goes for 40-50 quid all day. Right then, here goes. Ooh, I can see stripes. I don't want to pull the book out before the figure. Oh, Diego. Wow. Green base, it's the only problem. Love that in a gold or black. MC 12276. Oh, I've never had one now either. I've had Werder Bremen. Ribas de Cunha Diego. That's the fan book. Some really good openings with these. I mean, I've pulled a couple of duds, but I'm not going to put them on YouTube because they aren't worth putting on. I mean, I've had a few Drogbas, red bases, green bases, Rooney's. The English ones, to us, they're worthless, man. There we go. Diego. Let's put him in my... Put him in there. There we go. Diego. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. I'm going to enjoy my cup of tea now.